Well, we identified the shape, approximate shape of the tree. We made kind of more accurate shape of the tree and the trunk and the foliage. And I also sketched a little bit of the line of the ground. And now, the most difficult part. Well, we start with a reasonably soft pencil, but use it soft very gently. I'm starting with 3B at this point, and we have to identify the darker and lighter areas. So I'm going to identify the darker areas here. We have kind of a lighter curve here. It's like a ball. I have another lighter curve here. It's also kind of like a ball or ice cream scoop. We have this one also kind of lit part, and here we have lit part. And that's what we do initially. We just find the areas which are lighter and darker. For example, this part is all darker, and that's what I start doing. I'm separating dark areas from the light by shading the dark areas. At this point, it's just uniformed, level covering of the surface. So here it's all on the bottom. It is all rather dark. Pay attention, my pencil is not very well sharpened, and I use it very flat. It allows me to have a very gentle coat of graphite on paper. So here we have, so basically the light comes from above, and we have all the parts which are under those curves. It will be all in the shadow. And that's how we proceed. And that's how we proceed. So this is the first stage. Now, when I know how I'm going to proceed with the lights and shadows, I'm doing the edges. And I'm doing it in a kind of wobbly way, broken lines, a little bit fluffy, because the foliage is not even, is not smooth, so it will be always kind of uneven. So that's our first task.